Hey, welcome to an episode of DIYCarModz. I'm Jeff, and today I have a quick product install. It is this right here, which is a cover for the negative battery post. Now, as you can see, the positive side has a cover, but then the negative side, the ground side, is bare. This right here is the battery management system for the 9-channel cord. Now, if you haven't gotten this replaced already by the dealership and you have gotten a recall, Honda mentioned that this can be a fire hazard. Moisture can get inside, corrode it, and then cause fire. And so make sure you make your appointment to your dealership and get this replaced. Now, here is the cover. As you can see, it has a marking for negative right here, and it has a cutout for the cutout right here for this plug. So I'm just gonna put it in here. All right, there you go. This is very inexpensive. It was only a couple bucks, but it does clean up the look of the battery a little bit better. Now I have a cover for both the ground and the positive side. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments below. Don't forget to follow me on social media, Facebook and Instagram, where I do free monthly giveaways for my YouTube subscribers. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.